Hello TechNation fam. Today, we're diving into the world of TikTok Live, where ordinary folks are making it rain like they're Jay-Z. That's right, TikTok Live is turning people into millionaires faster than you can say, cha-ching. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to have your mind blown as we uncover the secret sauce to making big bucks from your bedroom. Buckle up, because this ride is going to be wilder than a roller coaster. Picture this. You're endlessly scrolling through your TikTok feed, when all of a sudden, you're thrown into a one-way video call with your favorite content creator. No more perfect, curated videos, this is the real deal. Welcome to TikTok Live, where creators can connect with their fans in the most authentic way possible through live vertical video. But wait, there's more. With TikTok Live, creators can now receive virtual gifts from their fans, from virtual roses to silly filters and even virtual stuffed animals. Not only do these gifts show appreciation, but they can also be converted into TikTok diamonds, which can then be cashed in for real money. So, get ready for some genuine interactions and virtual gift giving, because TikTok Live is taking the platform by storm. To get these gifts, you'll need to use the platform's currency, TikTok coins. The prices for TikTok coins are as follows: 65 coins cost 99 cents, 330 coins cost $4.99, 660 coins cost $9.99, 1,321 coins cost $19.99, 3,303 coins cost $49.99, 6,607 coins cost $99.99, and 16,500 coins cost $249.99. You can purchase different packages of coins with real money and use them to buy the gifts. The gifts are represented by emojis and vary in price, from a measly 1 coin for a rose to a whopping 34,999 coins for the TikTok Universe gift. When you shower a creator with gifts, those coins turn into diamonds and go straight to the creator's wallet. But don't go digging for your pickaxe just yet, these diamonds are only worth 50% of the coins you spent. TikTok keeps the other half as their cut for hosting the party. Let's say you gift a creator a juicy watermelon gift, worth 100 coins. The creator will rake in 50 diamonds from your gift, while TikTok will indulge in the other 50 coins. It's important to remember that TikTok will only deduct coins from your account, not diamonds. As YouTube sensation Davison Video explains, you'll need to collect 200 diamonds to score a single American dollar. But why diamonds, you ask? TikTok wants to keep it simple for creators by using a single currency. Managing different currencies can be more frustrating than untangling headphones, so diamonds it is. TikTok Live gifting is the ultimate boon for up-and-coming creators who are passionate about their craft. Unlike the TikTok video gift feature, where one needs at least 100,000 followers to get the ball rolling, the live gifting feature is a more accessible and affordable option for budding creators. Going live on TikTok can make for some unforgettable moments between the creator and their fans. It's a two-way street where the creator gets to engage with their audience, and the audience can show their love through real-time feedback and gifting. The more love a creator receives, the more motivated they become to create and entertain their fans. And the fans, they feel seen and appreciated, and that's what keeps them coming back for more. It's unfortunate but true that the TikTok Live gifting feature may not be a big moneymaker for smaller accounts. While larger accounts can rake in the dough, smaller creators may not see as much cash flow. But hey, don't give up just yet. You can still climb the ranks with some creative content and build your own army of fans. The other downside to live gifting on TikTok is that the platform takes a hefty 50% cut of all coins sent to you by viewers. This can be a bummer, especially if you're struggling to reach the minimum withdrawal amount. However, it's worth noting that other platforms also take a slice of the pie, so it's not just TikTok being a coin-grabbing fiend. TikTok's Go Live Together feature allows creators to collaborate in live streams, providing additional exposure and allowing followers to learn about other creators. TikTok encourages planning live events to gain attention and ratings, and creators can advertise future events through videos and hashtags to attract more users. Creators can categorize their live stream into specific topics to give followers an idea of what to expect and attract new followers. The analytics feature provides creators with information on viewership, gifts, new followers, and more to help them understand their strengths and weaknesses and plan for future live sessions. The highest-earning TikTok stars are Charli D'Amelio, Dixie D'Amelio, Addison Rae, Bella Poarch, Josh Richards, Chris Collins, and Avani Gregg. Charli D'Amelio leads the list with $17.5 million, followed by Dixie D'Amelio with $10 million, and Addison Rae with $8.5 million. Bella Poarch, Josh Richards, Chris Collins, and Avani Gregg round out the list with $5 million, $5 million, $4.75 million, and $4.75 million, respectively. Charli D'Amelio, who started as a competitive dancer, has a whopping 150.3 million followers and has had licensing deals with major brands. She and her sister Dixie have their own TV shows and launched a fashion and beauty product company. Dixie, who has 57.3 million followers, is making her own way as a pop singer. Addison Rae, with 88.8 million followers, has her own cosmetics company, released a single, and landed a starring role in a Netflix remake. Bella Poarch, a Navy veteran, has 92.9 million followers and has done ads for major brands. Josh Richards, the only male on the list, posts lip-syncing and dancing shorts for his 26 million followers and is also a serial entrepreneur. Chris Collins and Avani Gregg have also made their mark with the creative content and have millions of followers on TikTok. Many parents are taking steps to protect their kids from the potential dangers associated with this app. Even if your child is above 15 years of age, they may not have the emotional maturity to handle negative comments from trolls viewing live streams. Additionally, children who go live on TikTok may be susceptible to comments, gifting, and liking from potential predators and millions of strangers. If their background is not blocked effectively, their real-time location could be discovered, and they may inadvertently share personal information. Viewing live streams also presents risks to children, as inappropriate content may not be filtered out by the algorithm. Children may encounter content that is not suitable for their age group and may become confused or embarrassed. It's crucial to take measures to safeguard your child from such content. However, there are ways to limit their exposure to inappropriate content. You can consider using the Bark Parental Control app to receive notifications when your child downloads new apps and to block TikTok altogether, if necessary. By doing so, you can help keep your child safe both online and in real life. On one hand, TikTok Live has enabled creators to monetize their content and earn a living through virtual gift giving from their followers. The more viewers engage with their live stream, the more virtual gifts they can receive, which can be converted into real money. For creators, this provides a new way to make a living, express their creativity, and build a following on the app. However, on the other hand, TikTok Live also exposes children to harmful content, inappropriate comments, and potential predators. Additionally, live streaming can open the door for predators to engage in grooming behaviors, which can be extremely dangerous for children. As a viewer of TikTok Live, it's important to be aware of these risks and take steps to protect yourself and your children. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Monitor your child's viewing habits. Keep an eye on the content your child is watching and intervene if you see something that is inappropriate. Discuss with them the dangers of sharing personal information and interacting with strangers on the app. Encourage your child to take breaks. Spending too much time watching TikTok Live can be detrimental to a child's mental health. Encourage him to take breaks and engage in other activities that promote well-being. Use parental controls. Consider installing parental control apps that can help you monitor your child's activity on TikTok and block inappropriate content. And that's a wrap. Who knew that streaming live videos could bring in such massive earnings? Whether you're a TikTok creator or just a viewer, it's clear that the platform is a force to be reckoned with. If you want to stay up to date on the latest tech trends and updates, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to TechNation.